Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. In today's video, I'll guide you about Politecnico di Milano Scholarships 2025. The best part about the Politecnico di Milano Scholarships is that it offers above 65 fully funded scholarships, allows you to apply without an IELTS score, and doesn't require an acceptance letter. Additionally, each applicant receives a stipend of €3,000 for personal expenses. So in this video, I'll provide comprehensive information on scholarship summary, overview of the scholarship program, including key details and benefits. Scholarship benefits, description of the financial and academic support provided to scholarship recipients. Available fields, lists the academic disciplines or programs eligible for the scholarship. Eligibility criteria, requirements and qualifications necessary for applicants to be considered for the scholarship. Documents required, list of necessary documents that applicants must submit with their scholarship application. How to apply, step-by-step instructions for the application process, including links and guidance. Online apply video guide, for students facing challenges with the online application process, we have created an instructional video. Simply click on the link provided in the comment sections. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. If you haven't applied for these fully funded scholarships without IELTS or application fees, make sure to explore these incredible opportunities for 2025 and submit your application today. Scholarship summary. The Polytechnic University of Milan in Italy is offering 65 fully funded scholarships for international students at the bachelor's, master's, and PhD levels. The scholarship covers full tuition and provides financial support for the duration of the degree, 4 years for bachelor's programs, 2 years for master's MPhil, and 3 to 4 years for PhD studies. This is a valuable opportunity for students seeking to study in Italy with complete financial assistance. Scholarship benefits. The scholarship offers full tuition fee coverage for all academic programs along with financial support. Recipients will receive €6,000 if meals are not provided or €3,000 if meals are included, along with one free meal every day. Additionally, the scholarship covers accommodation in university hostels, as well as living and medical expenses, ensuring comprehensive support for students during their studies. Available fields. The scholarship covers a wide range of academic fields, including aerospace science and technology, architecture and urban studies, physics, mathematics, mechanical engineering, design, civil and environmental engineering, chemical engineering, and many other disciplines. This provides diverse opportunities for students to pursue their chosen areas of study. Eligibility criteria. International student eligibility. International students from all countries are eligible to apply for scholarships at Politecnico di Milano in Italy. Application deadline. Candidates must ensure they submit their applications before the specified deadline to be considered. Application fee. Applicants are required to pay a non-refundable application fee as part of the submission process. Online application submission. Candidates must complete the online application form and submit all necessary documents through the portal. Language proficiency. To qualify for a merit-based scholarship, applicants must provide a language proficiency certificate along with their application. Documents required. Academic transcripts and certificates, official records of your previous academic achievements. Passport or identification document, a valid form of identification. Curriculum vitae or resume, Detailed information about your academic and professional background. Language proficiency certificate, proof of language skills, if required. Letters of recommendation, references from academic or professional contacts. Statement of purpose or personal statement, a written explanation of your academic goals and motivation. Additional documents, research publications, work experience, or research proposals, if applicable. Application deadline. The deadline to apply for the Politecnico di Milano Scholarships 2025 is 30th January 2025. Make sure to submit your application before this date. How to apply? Applicants must apply through the online application portal available for the Politecnico di Milano Scholarships 2025. For detailed instructions, visit the official scholarship advertisement linked below. Online application video guide. A step-by-step video guide is available to assist with the online application process. That's all the key information you need about the Politecnico di Milano merit-based scholarship for 2025. If you're interested in studying in Italy with full financial support, don't miss this incredible opportunity. Make sure to apply before the deadline on 30th January 2025. For more details and the application portal, check the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more scholarship updates and step-by-step guides. Best of luck with your application.